keep missing my giddy boy, what? I keep missing my giddy boy, what? I keep.
Hey beautiful people, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, welcome. And if you've seen this face before, how are you doing? Like, have you been? What's happening? Today's video is actually a skincare video. I've not done any yet, yeah, but this one I actually want to try out something I saw online on YouTube. Excuse me. Ooh, something I saw here on YouTube and I so want to try it. I first saw it. It was done by Adiola Serrano and I was like, babe, this thing they work. Like, is it for real? So today's video, from the title you will have gotten it, is I want to try out this palm oil regimen for skin. I read about it and it said it's actually very good for your skin. It reduces aging, wrinkles, it brings back nutrients and all that. Without wasting your time, I have palm oil here. I know here in Nigeria we use palm oil here to cook, and so me saying that, oh, this is good for both hair and face, I also like because I'm a chipe, like I'm a Jebu. I like easy way out. And Adeola skin, like I've met her in person, her skin is flawless. I'll leave her channel name somewhere here, so you check out the channel out. Her skin is flawless, and this is like really unprocessed palm oil. I've had my bath, I've actually washed my face, so I'm just going to apply the oil on my face and see, ignore my chubby lips. So I'm just going to use my hand. Oh, I'm scared to even use it to send my best friend. I'm just going to walk it into my skin. For my video, I see that they said you can leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. So which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it by the time I'm done. So guys, I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and then wash it up. So let's wait. We're waiting. Okay guys, it's 10 minutes now. I'm going to watch it. Like you can see, I'm closing one eye now because oil has dripped into this eye. So I'm just gonna watch this off my face and I'll be right back and I'll tell you guys what I think. So guys, I washed my face like my face feels really soft. Oh my goodness, I can't tell if this thing actually did much, but I think over time I'm going to see whatever results it is. My face doesn't feel very dry and I feel my face feels soft, like, yeah. So will I be doing this again? Maybe once in a while, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it's yellow, like it's messy for me. I hate cleaning. Like if I have to do this like very often, that means I have to be watching my bathtub every other day. Like I'm not about that life, because I know I can stand the stain of the oil everywhere. So I think that's the only reason I won't be doing it very often. But apart from the way my skin feels like a baby. Like it. I may even do maybe a recipe on it if I want to try it again. But in all, I'll say it feels good. For the hair one, I think I'm still going to try that one for hair. So guys, that's it for this video today. So if you like such videos, me trying some of all this trend going on, if you like such videos, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down in the description box if you want to try it. What do you think about it? Have you tried it? Have you done it? Do you like it? Are you doing it every day? let's know. Just leave it in the comment section and let's chit chat about it. Did you mix it with anything? I was thinking of mixing it with turmeric, so if there's anybody there that has tried this with turmeric and they like it, because the only reason I don't use turmeric is that it's because it's yellow and it's messy. So if I can mix this with turmeric and still get all the turmeric benefits with it and all in one, I think I'll try both together. So if you've ever done this, or you mixed this palm oil recipe with anything, please leave a comment down below so we know. Let's see, let's try this, let's build the discussion going. So that's it for this video today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.